This is question 4 from the third probability and stats revision quiz. In question 3 we talked about how the beta values of linear regressions have t-distributions with n minus 2 degrees of freedom. Well, in this case we're asked to try and actually solve one of these hypothesis questions and see if we can disprove the null hypothesis that beta is equal to 0. We're given that we've got an n of 22, so 22 minus 2, we've got 20 degrees of freedom, and so we've got a t-distribution, 20 degrees of freedom, and a 5% significance level. And note that it's a one-sided t-distribution because we've got beta. We're trying to prove that beta is greater than 0, not just that beta is less than 0. So let's just go and find a relevant t-distribution. So it's just the same old t-distribution that we always use, and you've got it in the tables for the exam equation sheet. And come on down to the 20 degrees of freedom line, and you'll actually want the column for an alpha of 0.1, because remembering in the table that you're given in this case, the values shown are actually for alpha divided by 2, the two-sided tests. So you need to go double exactly what you would otherwise be picking. So it's a 0.1 two-sided test is equivalent to a 0.05 one-sided test, so the correct value is 1.725. Pretty straightforward once you remember that the beta value has a t-distribution with n minus 2 degrees of freedom.